Time has long been a subject of fascination, with philosophers questioning whether it's a linear progression or a cyclic phenomenon. Ancient cultures viewed time in relation to natural cycles, while thinkers like Immanuel Kant proposed time as a mental construct. In modern times, physicists like Einstein have linked time with the fabric of space, suggesting it can bend and warp. The implications of these ideas have led to debates about free will and destiny. Are our choices predetermined, or do we shape our future? By examining how we perceive time, viewers are invited to reflect on their daily lives and the significance of the moments they experience.